that spirit that he blow inside of us is his own spirit, means it is himself. It's his own inside that he was blowing into our physical bodies. And therefore, a godly feeling of divine spirit, of deep understanding, lives inside a very constricted and limited cell, vehicles, bodies. And the Creator lives inside of us, and we are the Creator himself inside our own individual bodies. And we need to break through that prison. We need to rise, to believe, to count, to have confidence in him, to have hopes, to pray, to break those systems of nature and to rise up on them and to go to the heights, to the highest levels of them all.